Let's take a look at some of the trending tickers that we are keeping an eye on here as we go into the end of the show. Johnson & Johnson, they've announced a $5 billion share repurchase program. J&J's board of directors authorized the repurchase of up to $5 billion of the company's common stock. The repurchase program has no time limit, but may be suspended for periods or discontinued at any time. Shares right now trading up on the day by about 2.25% on this.
What's significant here is it's the first time in almost 4 years that J&J has had a buyback program. It had suspended that program. So now coming back, returning some money to shareholders. You know, we've been talking throughout the show about valuations and the theme of what's attractive here. And this is a case of a company coming in and saying, our stock is attractive enough. We're going to do some buying. Another one is Comcast. That company also in this case, it's an expansion of an existing buyback authorization. It's going to $20 billion after the company said it has already bought back $9 billion worth of its own stock in 2022. So another example here. Now, Comcast is already sort of the cable companies, the traditional cable companies tend to be dividend plays. People buy them because they return cash to shareholders. Right. So here's another little bonus.
And this is one of the issues or one of the kind of events where you would actually see, of course, the stock price reaction, even on a waffling or a down day like this. If these buybacks continue to be announced by some other companies that have at least the cash to put towards buybacks, that could potentially prop up at least a one-day move, at least with investors pricing in exactly how much that would the inverse of dilution of shares. Right.